Sean, did you not get dick last night or something? You look so sad. What's up, man?
What? Haywood belong.
Tranquilo, baba.
Excuse me?
So this is a skimpy kit. I guess you got a bikini cut.
Bikini bottom.
So basically a kit like this, you're literally just protecting the most essential part.
Essential job.
So it literally covers from here to here. If only you played as well as you did this, maybe we'd win a game or two.
You're an ass, you know that, right?
I didn't realize how nice this Range Rover was. Look at the interior. Red leather, black inserts, Alcantara inserts here. Look at the steering wheel. Nice and thin, clean. What?
Retail is 88,000, but you can get like 15 grand off. No, 15% off.
Was that like $20,000?
Just get a used SVR.
This is not about speed. Just get a quality car you cruise in.
The SVR is slower than sports cars, so what's your point? Pull up next to my Corvette, I'm leaving you in the dust. Pull up next to a Tesla, Tesla's gonna leave you in the dust.
Yeah, but if I pull up next to another Range Rover, I need to be able to flex. You know how many soccer moms I gotta be able to flex on?
Are you telling me you wouldn't enjoy driving a Range Rover that goes blah 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 blah?
I want it quiet.
It sounds so good.
I just said
Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, RGB lighting! This is so beautiful. Paint correcting the car, and then we're gonna be doing a ceramic coating once this is done. Wow, Will, incredible. Now Will is coating the car, so we got done paint correcting it. We're done with the Clearbra. Will can't hear me say anything about him because he has headphones on, so which is really nice. I can talk about him all I want. He likes up his soul.
You're a bitch.
Just got done with this Range Rover, so let me show you what we've done to it. Now, if it looks super glossy, it's because, well, it is. The whole car has been paint corrected and ceramic coated, so all the painted panels are super glossy now, hydrophobic, and they have this nice layer of protection. We did a small little Clearbra coverage that covers from here to about here, and the whole front bumper is done. Highly recommend a ceramic coating package if you love washing your cars or you just want to keep it clean all the time. It makes it a lot easier to do. So we're doing something a little different than we normally do. We're actually tinting.
no, don't do something. That's not normal.
Blah, 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 blah.
We're tinting the taillights and the headlights of them all three. Oh, too bad I don't have a before and after.
You have your car.
This is what it looks like. We just tinted the headlight. You know what? I kind of like it. It's not too dark. We went with this really light smoke color.
No, it honestly lasts probably, I've seen cars have it on for like 3-4 years.
Have you done the rear yet? Not yet?
No, I'm about to do it right now. Take it off the back end here, you tack it here. We're gonna heat it somehow. You know what I mean? I'm gonna heat the whole thing.
And they tell you what to do.
Cool.
That's not bad at all.
No, that looks good. It's still bright. It kind of has a creepy Stranger Things kind of vibe to it.
Yeah, it kind of has that creepy stranger.
And this is what it looks like without it on. And here's what the fronts look like with the lights on. In person, it's a little milkier, it's a little foggier, as if there's like a slight mist in front of the headlights at all times. But it's still really bright though, regardless. Here's what it looks like outside, so it's pretty dark. Yeah, even with the lights on right now, you can barely see it. And this is what it looks like with the headlights on in bright daylight. So you still see the lights are on, but it's a lot softer. We're making progress on the AMG GTS. Back is done, the door is done, the hood looks good. Cool color. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
Hey Ted. Yes. After a while, do you start to get uncomfortable in your Corvette seat?
Not that much.
You're starting to get a little wide around the waist.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Guys, we got in the wheels for the GTS, so we're gonna put them on right now. Engineered for 2018 Mercedes GTS. We got them almost pre-mounted.
Did you lube it?
Lubed you.
Just can't get into it.
Yeah, I'm filing a complaint.
AMG GTS project is now complete. Let me show you guys this. This is really cool. Especially right there at the rear quarter panel, just how the light hits it and you see like the body lines of the car. Just looks so good. I'm hoping the camera can capture just how beautiful the blue looks with the film. It is just crazy. And you still see all the metallic flakes in the paint coming through. It's a really cool finish. And of course, we did an EVS custom hood with this. So the hood is completely custom wrapped in all edges, no relief cuts, no seam. We took out the hood vents and tucked the film underneath it and then placed it back in. That way it looks as seamless as possible. Same thing with the Mercedes badge on the front bumper. And of course, since we're in Houston, we had to tint the windows. Cerelux 33 on all the sides. sides and the back window to give it a little bit of privacy, but still have amazing heat rejection. Photo 670 on the front windshield, clear, but blocked an insane amount of heat. Vossen forged Evo 3 wheels, 20 inches in the front and 21 inches in the back. This is a really clean 5-spoke open design. Allows you to see the calipers in the back, especially if you have a bright color one, and the rotors if you have drilled or slotted. Can't go wrong with satin black if you want something that's really clean. Two things I really like about this wheel. One, I like the way the spokes are cut around here. The reason I like this is because you don't see a lot of wheel companies that can make spoke designs that look like this, that make these soft, round curves, and that's because it requires what I believe is called a 5-axis machine. Really fancy machine that can make these smooth cutouts that you see here. It's really expensive. A lot of wheel manufacturers don't have this machine because of the cost. And the second thing I really like about this wheel is how they did the undercut here in the center. It saves weight and it adds a little bit of depth to the wheel. It's not just like a flat piece. And of course, since these are custom made to order, you can expect that nice flush fitment that you see here. And here's the concavity just to give you guys some idea what it looks like on a GTS, as well as in the front. The next model I recommend for this car would be a chrome delete around the door handles, around the grille. Just because the car doesn't really have much chrome anywhere else, it will really tie in well with the wheels. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this car. I think it turned out really well. Only thing left now to do is just to clean it up and get it ready for delivery. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work in cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I have a video here that I think you might like, so check it out if you want to keep watching. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Spreading my wings.
I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly.